Okay, now we are going to do this question. A ball is projected vertically upward with speed 50 meter per second. Find the maximum height, the time to reach the maximum height, and the speed at half the maximum height. So, since we have just derived it, we can directly use the formula. The formula we can use, and maximum height. For maximum height, the formula is u square by 2g. So u is how much? 50 and g is 10. So 2 into 10. So this is how much? 2500. So that will be 125 meter. 125 meters. So 2500 by 20. So 125 meter is the maximum height. The time to reach the maximum height. So time to reach the maximum height is how much? That is u by g. So u is how much? U is 50 and g is 10. So how much it will be? 5 seconds. So in 5 seconds it will reach the highest point. Then the speed at half the maximum height. So the speed at half the maximum height. So what we are going to do is the maximum height which we have found. So we will write the formula v square minus u square. This is a, this is b. V square minus u square equal to 2as. So final speed, the speed at half of the maximum height. Half of maximum height means half of 125. So 2a is minus 10, s is 125 by 2, half of the maximum height. So 125 by 2, and u initial speed is 50, and final speed we need to find at this point. At h max by 2 we need to find the speed. So that is 125 by 2. So this is we are going to use here. So v square is how much? That will be 50 square minus, this is cancelled, so 1250, and so v is 1250 under. So it will be it will be 125 25 into root 2, this much. So this much will be the speed at this point.